guys, running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday. Well, I really tore it up over at Walgreens and actually got an offer to work for me with a booster to have a, this, believe it or not, was a $16 moneymaker. So I'll talk about that, and if you can mirror this deal, this is definitely one to do. So lots of Walgreens stuff. Oh, and there's a free print too we'll talk about in a quick second. Weather report for you guys, it's probably like low 60s today, kind of a cool one. And that's all that's going on. And there's Sir Pumpkin. Pumpkin, you want to say hi to everybody? Oh, he's running away, he's camera shy. He came back from New England last night. A lot of you know the story that he was eating some lobster sandwiches and partying on a boat. And now he's home conveniently. Okay, so we have a free 8x10. What you're gonna do is open up your Walgreens app and order one of these. And then when you get to the pay page, or before you hit the pay page, you have to type in the code free smiles, and then you can order this, have it shipped to the store for, you know, so it's free. And how great is that? So I'm doing a little bit of abstract Dollar General photography. This is called Big Sky and Truck. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments if I nailed it. Thank you to the freebie guy as well for telling us about this code first thing this morning. And yeah, get yourself a free 8x10. I'm not sure how long this promotion is taking place, guys, but I would do it sooner than later. So over at Walgreens, everything worked out really well today. The one hiccup I did have was, you know, guys, we have that 4 off of 2 for the Colgate, like a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. It wasn't attaching to any of the toothpaste. But this morning we did get 50 cents for both the brush and paste, and with the 50-cent coupon, it would still be a freebie, not as good as a 4 off of 2. However, 2 very odd coupons showed up this morning, including a $5 manufacturer for the Depends silhouette for 1 box, plus a 7 off of 3 that was working for this. So that's just fantastic. So I'm just gonna jog you through what I did. A couple days ago when I was at Walgreens doing all my clearance stuff, I got a 5,000 points when you spend 20. So that came out of the Catalina machine, and I used it for this basket. So we're just gonna jog through what I bought again. This silhouette was $5.99. We have this $2 IVC plus the $5 coupon. This should have rang up for 99 cents, but the whole $2 came off, which I don't fully understand, but it worked today. I think it's because I had such a big balance for this one. And then these 3 are 3 for 12, subtracting that 7 off of 2. And then the paste and the brush are $2.99 a pop. 50-cent digital manufacturers, and then when you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward, $5 register reward when you buy 2, and then I got back 8,000 points from Fetch for the purchase of this. So looking at the basket altogether, guys, you have a total right here of $23.97. I got the cashier to scan the IVC coupon, and $2 came off, and the rest are 100% digital coupons that include, so the new total is $21.97, and then the following digital coupons came off that are 2 50 centers for the paste and the brush for Colgate, a 7 off of 3, and then a $5 off. So the new total was $8.97. As I had a spend Catalina booster, I had to pay cash for that balance. I got back 7,000 points, 5,000 for spending 20, plus an extra $2 as I have a 10 times every day when you spend 20 bucks. And then I also got back 2 $5 register rewards, 1 for the Colgate, 1 for the Crest, which I will use for the beauty event. And then I also got back 8,000 points from Fetch. This reset for me, and I had some crazy spend a certain amount, get an extra couple of points. So I got back $8 from the Fetch app. If you haven't signed up for that app, you probably should, because it's just a tremendous app. So I mean, like, that was just fantastic. So after everything was said and done for me, guys, this was free plus a $16.03 moneymaker. Like, that's amazing. Again, to address this again, this product's $5.99. I had a $5 coupon and a $2 IVC. That IVC should have just went down to 99 cents, but for whatever reason, the $2 came off. I do not know why, but it worked for me. That's always, it never usually happens. It usually gets reduced down, but something goofy happened today. But considering that my 4 off of 2 would not attach on any friggin' Colgate, I must have been in the aisle, guys, for like a solid 20 minutes scanning everything. And with social distancing and stuff, there were other people in the aisle wanting to look at the toothpaste, and I'm like, sorry. I must have said that about a million times. I felt so bad, but it turned out to be a pretty good little haul. It is what it is. And I have another one of these massive boxes with 4 little underwears in my house, and I hate storing this because it's so bulky, but maybe I'll donate it somewhere. Okay, the next little haul that I did, I used points for this one. A couple of you were saying in the comments that it's almost impossible to find Kleenex, and I've noticed that too. For whatever reason, Kleenex is going really, really quickly. I always like to get these larger ones too with the bigger boxes. They have one that's like 4 minis, but I don't like it as much as these 4 big mamas. I just think I'm getting a better value. So these guys are 5 a piece on a buy one, get one 50% off. So that's $7.50 for the 2. I didn't have any manufacturer coupons, but sometimes you have to make the best out of what you have. And then to my surprise and delight, I found the wipeouts. I have been on the hunt for these. I ordered some online and I found them in the store, and they had only a couple. So I was able to grab 2, so I grabbed 2 of them. So they are $5.99 a piece. So $7.50 for the 2 Kleenexes, $11.98 for these 2. So the total was $19.48 plus tax. And in Michigan, you can use points to pay down your tax. So that's what I did. So I used 20,000 points and basically just walked out of the store really happy. And these are meat and potatoes products that I've been on the hunt for, especially with these wipeouts. I know that for the most part, they are really, really hard to find these sort of wipes where I'm living. Whenever they come in stock at any of the stores, they get cleared out or wiped out really quickly. So I have absolutely no problem you know, paying for that, because it's a really great deal to use points to get something that I'm really going to use. So very delighted with that. Okay, the next deal, if you can find this Bounce, it's like a product to take wrinkles out and to make your laundry look fantastic. It was on clearance for $3.19, so that is 50% off. Now, I did not use a manufacturer coupon for this guy because I was trying to make a submission to Saving Star and Checkout 51, and both of those apps are notorious that if you use any sort of like manufacturer coupon, you will get rejected. At least that's my experience. Your account might be different, but mine, I guess, must be flagged or something like that. So I got back $1.50 from Saving Star and 75 cents from Checkout 51, making this product 94 cents. How wonderful is that? So if you are in that cleaning aisle, it might be worth your time to like look for this product. Even if you have both of those rebates, by all means, bounce on this deal. Okay guys, so fun in the sun, back to school, all that stuff that we were stocking for the longest time, well, it is all gone, every last crumb. They've packaged all of it up. It's probably going to be sent to a warehouse where it will be auctioned off to people that do like, you know, extreme unboxings, and they do like retail arbitrage, that sort of thing, where they sell it on Amazon, eBay, all that stuff. So I do watch a couple people on YouTube that do that sort of thing, and they buy from CVS, Walgreens, and whenever they get the packages, it's always like, oh, that was 90%. And it's kind of interesting to see. There's a guy that I follow. If you guys want to check him out, because he has been unboxing a lot of CVS you know, packages and stuff. Like, they come in these huge freights, and he's usually getting like, you know, 17 massive crates at once. If you want to check it out, his name is Retail Rabbit here on YouTube, and lots of the stuff that we are always clearance hunting, he's always buying. So if you want to check him out, I will leave his YouTube channel in the notes. Very interesting man, that is for sure. And guess what just showed up? Halloween. Halloween was thick and packed, and they're putting everything together, and they wanted the space from the back to school Fun in the Sun to put Christmas stuff. So that'll probably start creeping into our stores already. Can you believe it? But yep, it's going to be showing up. Now, heading over to Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest, we have one freebie, which is a Chobani coffee creamer. You can get until the 19th, which is Saturday. So grabbing one of them, using that free M perk, you're going to pay nothing out of pocket. If you might have loaded this $1 rebate from the Saving Star app, it would make it free plus a $1 moneymaker. I submitted my receipt earlier in the afternoon, so I'll have to wait and see if it gets approved. It might not. It might be a free plus a $1 moneymaker, or it might be absolutely nothing but a free item, but it never hurts to try. So don't forget to load that M perk, because today is the only day to load the free M perk for that coffee creamer. Okay guys, the last thing I want to talk about before I take off is the HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a food subscription box. I have been with them for about 2 years. They send you a menu with all the ingredients to make your own curated meal, and it is so much easier to just have this shipped to your home once a week. So you can have 3 fancy, it's like Applebee's, and honestly, it's just my favorite thing because we save a lot of money on going out to eat when we can do it at home. And I just wanted to show you the meals that I got, because I know a lot of you are curious to see like, what food did you get? And so this is one, it's maple chicken. That looks really good. This burger was really fantastic. And this is tonight's dinner, which is the Tuscan pork and spaghetti. This is a favorite of mine. And if you guys are interested, for new signups only, I have a $40 coupon in the notes, making it $20, and they pay for the shipping as well. So it would be $20 plus shipping. And if you want to just do a one and done, like try it the one time and have 3 of these delicious meals for 20 bucks, you can also do that. But you might end up in my situation where you just keep ordering it week after week, because it's so convenient and it just really changes up your menu. Like if you're just eating the same thing all the time and getting bored. So I know that like a lot of us dine in restaurants, that's not happening, and you can only eat so much Taco Bell. So if you're interested, link in the notes, check it out, and you might really enjoy this. And I always say to my husband, like, oh my God, this tastes so fresh. And he's like, well, it is HelloFresh. But it's always a funny thing. I always comment on how fresh it is, because I'm like, oh, it's so fresh. Okay, guys, have a great one. And I will have the Walgreens matchups for beauty starting probably Tuesday, Wednesday, because the event starts on Thursday. Those 2 days, I'll start having a digital video, and then the day after for paper coupons. But if you have a lot of these, save them for the beauty event, and we will make some deals happen. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.